So when I got my yellow Mach 1, the shift ball looked like this. I couldn't believe how hammered this thing is. My friend said somebody who had it before probably had rings on their hand when they would shift the car. And I believe a lady owned it, so maybe a lady who liked to wear a lot of rings or something. But anyway, I decided to go ahead and try doing this where I just took a bolt that fit inside the shift ball and then the socket that fits the bolt, and I drove it in there, and then I just put some sandpaper in my hand and I ran the drill and just held that sandpaper there and let it do its work. And I did wear eye protection, and the ball could skip and jump away from you, especially if someone has a higher power drill or an air one or something. So I recommend just being very safe when you do this and go slow. The last thing you want is this thing to pop out like a pool ball and bust one of your teeth. You don't want to knock a tooth out. It didn't take much RPM to do this. This is a battery drill. It's not even an impact or anything. And you can see it started shaving down that pretty good. And the ball is made out of aluminum, so it's soft and it will clean up pretty good. But I just decided to go ahead and try doing this for a little while, and I was very pleased with the outcome. I think that it cleaned it up very well, and it took all those deep scars out pretty well. Now, the car's shift knobs come with kind of a brushed aluminum look to the ball. And so you could keep going with different grit sandpaper and make this a very, very shiny look, but I decided to go ahead and keep it kind of original. So this is how it looks now. And I did go back with one more finer grade sandpaper and did it again. So I have this shifter here for TR3650, which is good because I need one for my Project GT. So I decided I'd go ahead and put this combination on my yellow GT that I'm working on since I had the ball. I replaced the one in my Mach 1 with a new one, but look how terrible this used to look. I'm surprised it could look that bad. And then this is what it looks like now. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and stay tuned for more Mustang content.